Bowling is a super fun game full of strategy. It originated centuries ago. The oldest form of the game dates back to 3200 BC. A modern version of bowling appeared in Germany around the 3rd century. With different variations in several countries, today it is played all over the world on special lanes. Bowling is not an Olympic sport, but it has been part of the Pan American Games since 1991 and the Paralympic Games since 2019. The rule is simple. Roll the ball and try to knock down as many pins as possible on each turn. But there are many techniques to control the strength, direction, and even the spin of the ball. Playing bowling brings several benefits. It improves motor coordination, balance, concentration, and also helps develop quick thinking. The coolest thing is that bowling can be played alone or in groups, creating moments of friendship and family fun. To play, it's important to wear special bowling shoes, which help with safety and the right movement on the lane. How about grabbing the ball, aiming at the pins, and feeling the thrill of a strike? Bowling could be your next big passion.